Right, hello everyone, welcome back to Forex Trading with Sai. If you're finding me for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Right, let's get straight into it. So starting off with this weekly watch list, I've got my eyes on 3 pairs. First pair I've got my eyes on is AUDJPY, EURAUD and EURJPY. So I'm going to start off with AUDJPY. Starting on the weekly time frame, you can see AUDJPY hasn't really shown any real direction of which way the market is heading. So in the last few weekly sessions, the market's been in this range. You can see this support area right here and this resistance level right here I've got marked up. So going on to the daily time frame, you have a better look. At it. So right now with AUDJPY, I've highlighted these 2 levels right here. This is the resistance level at 84.47 and the support level at 83.06. So going on to the 4-hour time frame, looking at AUDJPY, what I'm looking for next is for either market to come to touch this level right here, my support level, or come to my resistance level. So right now I'm just going to be waiting patiently for AUDJPY to make it move. So if it comes to my resistance level, I'm going to wait for price action, see what price action forms or happens, and then look to take a trade. And it'll be the same situation if it comes down to the support level. So going on a 1-hour time frame, you can see AUDJPY has just been ranging. Near enough from the beginning of April, it's been staying in this range. Hasn't made any market direction. Just going back on a daily time frame, the overall trend, we are still in an upwards trend. So I am still favouring for AUDJPY to come back up to this temporary resistance level right here. So those are 2 levels to look out for on AUDJPY. I'll give an update during the week if we touch those levels, and I'll let you know if I'm going to place a long trade or a short trade. But also bear in mind, if we do get a do bear in mind if we do get a break below this support level right here, then I'm expecting AUDJPY to start trending down, and we can start seeing some nice downwards movement. So that brings it to an end for AUDJPY. Going on to EURAD, similar to AUDJPY, in this consolidation range. Going to the daily time frame, I've highlighted this support level right here at 1.5433 and this resistance level at 1.56788. So those 2 levels you want to keep an eye on for this week. I'm actually waiting for market to come up to this resistance level right here before I look to go short. So what I'm looking for is for the market to touch this resistance level right here and start to trend down. So that's one scenario I'm waiting to happen on EURJPY. Remember, we want around 10 pips above that resistance level right here. So we're probably looking at risking around 40 pips to gain around 229 pips. So that's it for your AUD. That's the one scenario I'm looking to happen. Another scenario will be from this support level right here. If price comes down to the support level, I'll be looking to see if it can break this support level, because what I'm looking for is price to break this support level and then have a retrace back up and test this broken support level and start a downtrend. So that's that's another scenario I'm looking out for on your AD. Probably won't play out this week. Could happen next week, but that's another scenario if we do see price come down to this level this week. So yeah, that's it for Euro AUD. That's two scenarios we've got on Euro AUD. Next up is EURJPY. So with EURJPY, it's been trending up for quite a while sometimes now, and it's been for the past 4 weeks. It's been hasn't broken this resistance level right here. As I saw this Gravestone Doji happen on a daily time frame, I expected EURJPY to start trending down, but look like it's not going to. It's failing to break this level right here. So let me go on a 4-hour time frame. It is failing to break this level right here at 1.9678. So this support level is holding very, very strong for EURJPY. I know a couple of traders that it's been trading this range, getting in off from support and riding it up and getting back out when it gets to the near enough this resistant level right here. So with EURJPY, I'm quite my opinion is short on this week. So what I'm looking for is price to play around this resistant level right here, and then come back down to this support level. But my opinion is still very bearish on EURJPY. So let me mark up for you how it's going to play out. So I'm looking for EURJPY to touch this support level right here. Depending on what candlestick formation we get. Right now, if I was going to have a stop loss, it will be 10 pips above that. These two candlesticks right here will be 10 pips above this candlestick right here. And yeah, that'll be it for EURJPY. So it all depends on what candlestick formation we get when the price comes to this level right here. But to be on the safe side, I will put my stop loss 10 pips above this this false breakout above right here. So that's EURJPY. So yeah, that brings this video to an end this week. So that's the end of this week's weekly watch list. Few setups for you I've marked out there for you to look out for. Don't forget to look at those price levels I also gave on the other pairs. See how the market reacts with it. If you spot any candlestick reversal pattern, try to get in and yeah, earn yourself some nice pips. So that brings it to an end. I just want to say, have a good trading week, people. Remember, trade smart, not with your emotions. And yeah, I'll see you next time on the weekly watch list.